In this video, I'll show you how you can add Amazon affiliate links to your YouTube description so you can start making money. So I'm assuming you've already got your account ready on Amazon Associates. If you haven't, go and apply, and once you've been approved, come back to this video and then I'll show you what to do. So if you've got your account approved already, you need to get to the Amazon Associates page. You can do that by just simply Googling Amazon Associates and it should be the first one. Now, when you're on the Amazon Associates page, you can go and search for products here within the Amazon Associates page, but it's not the ideal way to do it and it's not my favorite way of adding them. What I myself like to do, I like to go to Amazon.com and just go to the main Amazon website, and you'll see once you've signed up for an account on Amazon Associates, you'll get this grey box here at the top of the page. Now, you can go and search for any product on Amazon using the main search engine. So I'm just going to search for my microphone here. So my mic is a Rode NT USB microphone. So once I've done that, I can then browse through Amazon normally like I usually would do. And I can click on the product I want to promote here. Then we can go to the bar here at the top. And where it says get link, we can choose a text, image, or text and image link. If you're adding it to a YouTube video, you need to click on text. That's going to open up a box here. And we can then create a link to this Rode product here. So you can either generate a short link, which is great for YouTube, or you can generate a full link, which I wouldn't recommend. Just go and grab the short link here and just click copy. Make sure your tracking ID is correct, but it's probably going to be right if this is your only account on Amazon. Once you've copied the link, you can then go back to YouTube. You just want to head over to your YouTube Creator Studios, go to videos, and just in the description of any video, just go ahead and paste in that link here. And I'm just going to put before the text here, microphone. So people know that when they click on it, it's my microphone. So this link here is going to be tracked to you. And when people click on it, you're going to see that through your Amazon dashboard. And if they go and buy something within 24 hours of clicking that link, you're going to make some money. I'm not going to lie though, the Amazon commissions aren't that great for the amount of clicks you get, but it'll make you some nice passive income if you just go and put it in your YouTube description.